What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Buick Enclave remote key fob. This Buick Enclave key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing we're going to do is grab our key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the notch right here that this emergency key originally came out of. What I'm going to do is take my key and I'm going to stick it in that slot, but I'm only going to put it in about that far, what's on the other side of my fingers. Stick it in about that far, and then I'm going to pry up like this. And as I do that, you can see it splits the case apart. Go ahead and pull the case the rest of the way apart, and then in the back half we see our battery right here. And I'll just use my key to get under the edge of this battery and pop out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. Snap it down into that holder, and then we can snap the two halves of the remote back together. And what I do is kind of line up that button with the cutout like that first. Then snap it back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.